My name is Wing and I'm 6 years old. Today I will talk about International Children's Day in June 1. We should be happy today. What is this day? Today is June 1. June 1 is the special day in Children's Day. It's for children and babies. And our word calls worldwide. Next, gifts. Our family gives toys, candies, books, and balloons. We can buy toys at the toy store, right? And we can buy candy at the candy store. And we can buy books at the bookstore. And we can buy balloons at the toy store. I think balloons at the toy store, right? Next, meaning. We be happy or happiness. And our family love and care like me and you, right? The baby too. And our family had a bright future, right? Look at this sun. That sun was happy, right? And bright too. Next, purpose. Our family protect children. Our family love, care, and rights, right? Activities. We can play games, parties, and we can shows, and we have fun too. Do you know the farm? Its name is Raka. I love that farm. It has playground too, right? And it has animals. I don't see rabbit anymore. It hides from me or sleep, right? I only see hamsters, turtles, and sheep, right? Not goats. Goat is not have fur, right? It only have a thick fur or sometimes it have fur. And I see the sheep can have many fur, right? And we have lessons. Today we are happy. Be happy, not angry. We study well, be kind, and help others, like children and people. Don't help the books. The books only put on the shelf, not just write the books. It had paper. And don't be sad, cry, and angry. No, that's not feelings. Goodbye, everyone. Happy Children's Day, and be happy and sweet dream. Don't forget to sleep and reading rackets. Watch Teacher Brian and watch stories. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye.